Hi everyone. In this video, we will learn how to add fractions of different types, like fractions. So before adding, we need to understand what are like fractions. Like fractions means the fractions that have same denominator. As you can see in the first question, the denominator is same in both. So it's 3 by 8 and 2 by 8. To add these like fractions, you simply add the numerators. So what we can do, 3 plus 2, the denominator remains the same. 3 plus 2 gives you 5. So it's 5 by 8. Same goes with the next one. As we can see in both fractions, the denominator is 9. So you simply have to add the numerators. 5 plus 1, the denominator remains the same. 5 plus 1 gives you 6. So it's 6 by 9. Next we will learn how to add unlike fractions. Unlike fractions are the ones which have the different denominator. So to add them, firstly we need to find the least common multiple. So let's write down the multiples of both denominators. The multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. Multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32 and 40. So we can see the least multiple is 8. That means the both fractions should have denominator as 8. Let's write the denominator as 8. We can see in the second fraction is already having 8 as denominator, so we can write it as it is. In the first fraction, we will see 4 times what gives you 8. We know that 4 times 2 is 8, so you will multiply this fraction by 2. 2 times 2 is 4 and it's 8. So by applying the property of like fractions, now they have same denominator, add the numerators only. 4 plus 3 is 7, so it's 7 by 8. Let's move on to the next one. In this we can see the denominators are different, 12 and 6. Let's write down first three multiples of both numbers. Multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36 and 48. And let's write down the multiples of 6, 6, 12, 18, 24. So least common multiple here is 12. We will write the fraction as 12. In the first fraction you already have a denominator 12, so we will write the fraction as it is. In the second one, we can see the 6 times 2 gives you 12, so we will multiply this fraction by 2. 2 times 2 is 4, so it's 4 by 12. Now again, by applying the property of like fractions, just add the numerators. 3 plus 4 gives you 7, so it's 7 by 12. Let's move on to the next one. This is butterfly method. Butterfly method of adding fractions is just cross multiplication. Cross multiplication, you just add the numerator of first with the denominator of second. You will multiply 3 times 7 is 21 plus the other way 5 times 2 is 10. In the denominator, just add the multiply them. 5 times 7 is 35. Now add them. 21 plus 10 is gives you 31 over 35. That's it. Next, the same. Multiply the numerator of 1 with the denominator of second. 5 times 2 gives you 10 plus 4 times 1 gives you 4. Now multiply the denominators. 4 times 5 is 20. Add them. 10 plus 4 is 14. So it's 14 by 20. Here we go. Next is unit fraction. So unit fraction, there is a trick for adding them. So in the numerator, just add the bottom parts, 4 plus 8, and then multiply them. 4 times 8 is 32. 4 plus 8 is 12, so it's 12 by 32. Simple. Same goes with the next one. Just add the denominators, 9 plus 7, and then multiply them. 9 times 7, 63. 9 plus 7 is 16 and 63. Next, mixed fractions. So mixed fractions is a combination of a whole number as well as a fractional part. Again, in this we have different types. One is with the like fractions and one is with unlike fractions. So to add them, we will add the whole numbers separately. 2 plus 3 is 5, and then we add the fractions. 3 by 8 plus 2 by 8. Since they are like fractions, so we will simply add the numerators. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 by 8. Now by combining the whole numbers and fractions, we get 5 eighths. In the next part, let's add the whole numbers. 3 plus 2 is 6. Now add the fractions. 1 by 9 plus 5 by 9. So this gives you 6 by 9. Now combining the fraction as a whole and a whole part, it gives you 6 by 9. Next we have adding fractions with unlike denominators. Unlike denominators, as we know, they are the fractions with different denominators. So to add them, you can simply, you will add the whole numbers first. 2 plus 3 gives you 5. Now to add the fractions, we can apply the butterfly method or we can use the LCM method. So now we know that LCM of lowest common multiple of this fraction is 6. So we can multiply this by 3 to get 6. You get 3 by 6 plus 2 by 6, 5 by 6. Now by combining the whole number and fractions, we get 5 by 6. Let's move on to the next part. Add the whole numbers. 4 plus 2 is 6. So 1 by 3 plus 5 by 9. LCM of this is 9. We can multiply this fraction by 3 to get 9. This is 3 by 9 plus 5 by 9. 5 plus 3 is 8. So it's 8 by 9. Now let's combine the fraction and whole number. We get 6, 8 by 9. Thanks for watching.